Good morning, YouTubies. How are you? It's Marie here. So I have another drawing. Um, so I hope you're all doing okay. So I thought I'd do another picture. Um, so anyway, I've just been hanging in there, and my drawing today is a bird, and I'm using my Derwent color pencils. These are Color Soft. I really like these. They're not, the Crayola are a little more, they're a little more harder, and they don't break as much. But these, if you do press on them really hard, they do break, but they're soft. They're soft pencil. So I thought I would go ahead and color for you. My camera's kind of acting up. So anyway, I am drawing a bird. Um, like I said, I really like birds. Um, I hope all of you are doing all right. I appreciate all of your comments. It's gloomy outside again today, and yeah, so it's one of those days. It's been raining like the last couple of days, and that doesn't help me. Fall and winter. I love fall because I love the change of the seasons, but it's very hard to deal with not having any light, the sunlight. So anyway, this is the picture I'm doing. It's a picture of a bird, but he's sad. It kind of reflects what I'm feeling today. I'm just feeling sad. So yesterday I was looking through my book and I was thinking, you know, I really do have something to offer. I know it's not anything great, but if any of you enjoy this, watching these type of videos, um, let me know and I'll do some more. So my favorite medium is really doing marker. I like using marker and colored pencils. I'm not, some of them I don't do, like I really don't do watercolor because I like to have that kind of control. I like acrylics. Um, I'm trying to find me a proper easel so I can maybe do a painting or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, so there's my bird. I don't know if you can see it or not. I hope you can. He's just sitting here like I am. It's very quiet this morning, so I'm sitting here drinking my coffee. I got this cup. It's one of these older cups, and I got this for 99 cents. I went to the thrift store yesterday, and it was quite packed. So, yeah, you could hardly find any parking. So I think I'm just gonna leave the bird like this. Just leave it like that. So anyway, I don't really have much to say this morning. I do get your comments. Some of them I don't see until later. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I'll see your comments on my YouTube studio, but I don't see them on my YouTube channel. Why, I don't know. But please know that I do read them, and I'm trying my best to answer all of you. Those of you who do comment, I really appreciate the comments. It lets me know that people are watching. So anyway, I hope you all have a good day, and I will talk to you soon, okay? Bye.